How to effectively use SharePoint as an editor. I'm Paul Kuijsers and help businesses with Microsoft Teams, SharePoint and Copilot for a living. That's why you can be sure that after watching this video, you will know a lot more about editing in SharePoint. So let's jump into it. Here I already have a default SharePoint site. Everybody knows this. At least that's my assumption, so maybe I shouldn't. But there have been some new features that really help you create a beautiful intranet. So what are these features? One is removing the banner. Now you may think, okay, what are you going to show? Because if I click on edit here, I can already remove this. I could do that, but that's not what I mean. So I'm gonna discard it, save and close. What I mean is when I create a new page, then I have these standard templates, and I can create a page. Now, previously you couldn't remove this, but now you will. And when you click on the section, you will have the possibility to move this around and even delete it. So I'm going to delete it, and now I have a possibility to use white page and web art. So I could set up an image, and let's just do a stock image. I don't care at this moment. And now I can crop this freeform. Let's just do freeform. That's fine. Let's pick out that and add some text overlays. I didn't do that correctly. Edit properties. I could change this. Well, for now it's fine if I do it like this. So this is the way I can do it, but maybe I want a whole different section and I want a new column. I want to have this at the top, so I can create my own page. That's number one. But number 2 and 3 are really important as well. And I first start with number 2. And number 2, you already see here, that is that if I'm on a page, normally you had the web parts editor properties in this thing. Let's remove this section. Now I can just add a section. I can add a web part, but let's add a new web part, and let's just click on a quick links web part. So it used to be that we had to do this in this web part, and then it would be here. But now with the new ones, you will have all the options here. So if I click add link, well, maybe it's not the exact right item to show. Let's just pick one other one. Let's do a news one. And here you see on the right hand side directly the properties, but also the layout section. You see here on the right hand side, it used to be on here, and the background IDs, you can upload your own background. And I know somebody who made a great video about this. He's called Daniel. He completely remade the look and feel of a McDonald's order page. It's really awesome to see. So I really props for him. And you can make the section collapse. So these are options you directly have. Multiple options here as well. And if I go here, I can format the text. So here I can go this is all normal default settings. let's just add one more section and edit the properties. So this is basically your section properties. But if I go and click here, you can directly see all the options. Now I made this page, and here you have the toolbox. So here you have your web parts, your images, your sections. So that's really nice. But now that I have made some progress, I can click on this item and get design IDs. So at this moment, update get design, make sure your section only includes text and images. Okay, so this is something we need to know. Let's remove this one and remove this one. What do we have here? I don't think anything. So let's just add some images. As it's really new, you understand that I have to search a bit myself as well. So here we have some cool things. Well, let's drop one more text. Web part. Let's see if it's refreshing. Yes, here we go. We directly get our options of creating these beautiful designs like PowerPoint. So this makes it really easy to create your own new web page. So I really like this one, and I think you should do that as well. And you can add your own content and shuffle around a bit. But you need at least some text and images. And if you need more web parts on it, you can do that, of course. But then the design IDs are limited, as you could see. So this is number 2. But let's go to number 3, which is the best of the best. And if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me create new content for you. And I really love to do it for you, and you will stay up to date what's going on in Microsoft 365, in Teams, SharePoint, and Copilot. So here we go. So what we can do, okay, let's save and close this page. The page title you created will be used in the page URL. All right, I didn't. So let's see what happens. So here's my page title, and it's now called page, which is great, but not what you want in a corporate environment or in your environment. So we are going to call it demo multiple things. All right, let's click out of it, save and close. And let's just publish it at this moment. All right, it's published, and this is still normal stuff. But now what we are going to do, we are going to click on edit again. And we see our toolbox directly. This is really nice. But I also shared this page with somebody else, and I'm in edit mode, but you used to have an icon here that said this page is locked, but it's no longer there because you can co-author on a page. Here you see that somebody else is on this page. It's just somebody else. And let's just see what he is doing here, because he's directly editing. You see, I don't do anything. And this is for me. And what I can do is I directly see where he is. I can see that he's editing this part of the page. I cannot edit directly the same web part, but of course, as he's still there, I can add, for example, a button. And you see, I can edit directly. And when he hops over to another web part, you see that he's now here. So this is really cool because this means that, for example, you have a page in your intranet and you have to work on it with 5 people. Normally you had to call somebody or team somebody and ask, do you release the page please, because I need to change something. Well, that's long gone time, because now you can do it together at the same page at the same time. So this makes it really easy to have the correct page. Everybody knows exactly what has been done. So I can save and close, and I will save and close. And here I can say, okay, now I'm ready to publish, and select edit to see who's editing the page, view the last content. Okay, let's just do this, edit, and then let's just drop down. Let's see, nobody's editing at this moment. Save and close. So it's saving, takes a little time. Now we can republish it, and it's republished. So this is a very big change for SharePoint, and I think for the people who edit intranet pages. So if you want to know more about SharePoint, you can click on here and you will see the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.